Today I'm going to be making some more veggie burgers because on the website I have had a few comments to say that they wanted kind of an Indian infused veggie burger. So I'm going to I'm going to cook some quinoa and this is going to infuse the veggie burgers together, but first I'm going to make some Indian style mint yogurt to go on top of it. So all that I need is some chopped up mint. I'm going to add that to a bowl. Really easy to make is this, and then I'm just going to add some plain yogurt. You can use normal yogurt. I'm using soy yogurt because I don't eat dairy. So I'm just going to add a spoon of this to it and a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to mix this together. And then I'm just going to pop it in the fridge for about 10 minutes to half an hour, however you want. Once your quinoa has cooked, I am going to add it. So I've already made my ingredients and kind of the recipe, because if you do follow the recipes, I made a veggie sausage roll and I saved a lot of the ingredients that I made from this, but which you can also make great burgers too. So I'm going to make it to be more like Indian style. So first I'm going to add some chickpeas to it. You also can find out the recipe and how to make the ingredients right here. So I'm going to add the chickpeas. What I did with the chickpeas, I mashed them just a little bit. And then I'm going to add, so I've got some chopped coriander. I've got 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder and half a teaspoon of cumin, because I've already infused this quite a lot already with how it was for the sausage roll recipe. So it's got lots and lots of spices in it, but I'm just kind of bringing a little bit more life to it. And then I'm going to add my quinoa. I'm going to mix that all together and make some burgers. So to make the burgers, I'm going to cup some in my hands. So it's really easy to make because the quinoa should be holding it all together. So cup it in my hands to make kind of burger types, and I'm going to put it on an oven tray. So this time I'm going to be making it under the grill. Okay, once I've got my burgers on the tray ready, I'm going to add it under the grill. It shouldn't take long, it'll be about 10 minutes on each side. Make sure they go brown and nice and golden. Okay, so they have been around 15 minutes on each side, and I'm going to take them out. This is really exciting. So I did halfway through squash them down a little, but look at them. These are my vegetarian burgers, so let's let them cool down a little bit and we can try them. Right, the burgers have cooled down and we've got to try them. This is really exciting. So what we've done is I have got my mint yogurt that we made earlier, and it's so good. So I'm going to add a bit of this.
You then add any salad you want. I've chosen lettuce and cucumber, and then I have added strips of the burger to it and folded it in the wrap.
So let's take the test. That is so good. What I like about this and what makes it different is the mint yogurt, and it really comes across, and it kind of like blends together all the ingredients really well. I love it. If you want to find out how to make this recipe and find out other recipes as well, go onto my website on natalieeaglen.com.